Hey, good evening. You can see the flash of the blinkers. Alright, so I have actually recorded a couple of videos in the evening when I've been driving and sitting at a really long stoplight. However, I have never shared them. But I'm having a dilemma and I'm really torn. So I've been working on this blog and this website for months and months and months. And I was supposed to go live with it today, but I'm not quite ready. And it's technical difficulties. But I really want to fix it and still honor my launch date. But I also go to church on Friday nights. And that is also super important to me. Oh wow, can't even see me anymore. Blah blah blah. You can sort of see the shine of my glasses. So both things are so important to me. And I am so torn right now. What to do? I guess we'll find out shortly. God bless.